Yo, what's up guys? If you're new here to this channel, I am an expert adult marketer, all this stuff. I mean, marketing, sales, everything, affiliate marketing. I've made over $500,000 just from adult marketing and growing to millions of dollars very soon. Man, I'm making all these videos all at once just right now in the past few days, and it's gonna be way more videos than that. But anyway, in this video, I want to share with you guys how to crush it with OnlyFans. So OnlyFans is directly correlated to adult marketing in so many ways. So basically, you can like lock your content on these platforms and have a monthly recurring subscription that people are paying for. So you'll have people that have blown up from celebrities all the way to regular like girls who are doing OnlyFans or whatever, okay? If you're a girl who wants to do OnlyFans, go for it. Like, you can make a lot of money if you're thinking about it. It's just knowing how to get people interested and to go over and purchase, okay? That requires your personality. That requires being viral. If you look at people like, what's her name? Bella Daphne, okay? She did tactics that were very smart in marketing, okay? To stand out for her niche, okay? She did things kind of like that one show that's like dangerous and edgy, and they do all these pranks and funny stuff. She did stuff like that correlated to more like sexual and funny or whatever. I don't know. But she got people to go buy. Okay, and that's something you need to do. But to get traffic, here's some methods you could do, okay, to make over $100,000 a month plus just from OnlyFans, and that's recurring too. Okay, and most of the money, you'll talk to OnlyFans people. Okay, I've talked to quite a few. They can make a ton of money, okay, just from upsells in the back end, okay? Upsell of locked content, upsells of high ticket content, just specific content, anything that anyone wants. And you can go really think outside the box with all this stuff, okay? And it really adds up. And so most of the money, just like the principle of marketing goes, is made in the back end. Most of the money is always made in the back end, but the recurrent subscriptions is a big deal. And you have an option. You can go the route of making your whole thing just free. You can just make it all free content, and people come in, and then people will take the upsells, okay? That's one route you can go, and that can totally work. That can get you a viewer base. People will find you that wouldn't find you before because you're free. And then you can charge in the future. A bunch of people will leave, and some will stay in the recurring. That works, okay? And that's a powerful marketing strategy you can do for your OnlyFans or whatever, okay? If you want to do an OnlyFans and you're a male and you have skills, then I recommend you go the route of teaching like skills and teaching your expertise, okay? Because OnlyFans platform, it's really, really good with how they have it set up, okay? People subscribe easily, they unsubscribe easily. It's very good user base, okay? And how videos and content is distributed inside of there, it's very, very good, okay? How they have it all put together. So I do recommend that for you guys, okay? Now, another method is doing Instagram content and obviously link it to your OnlyFans inside a link tree, okay? Inside your link tree, and people like click there and they go check it out. That works. Another method that works very fantastically is you can have a pre-sale landing page before your OnlyFans page, or essentially what you're doing is you have a long form video just talking about your stuff, just sharing your personality or whatever, because that usually is what gets you the sale. You could talk about what's inside, you can share stories, you could just talk, okay, and show fun content, okay, your best stuff. Not your complete stuff, but like, just like the content, what's inside, just talk about it, okay? And you be fun and have fun and make, the longer the video, the more money you will make. It's just what happens, okay? So make like an hour-long video on this page, have a title, okay? Have a video, and just have a button to your OnlyFans or whatever, okay? This works the same for affiliate marketing. This works the same for anything. These pre-sale pages work. I make a lot of money from these pre-sale pages. I make thousands of dollars a day with this. When I first got started, I was making huge ROIs when I was making no money back then, and I finally cracked the code, okay? And that applies to any niche in the whole entire world, like any industry. If you do stuff right and crack the code, you can keep optimizing from there and keep crushing it, okay? That's how you crush it, okay, with this. So the other route you could do is you could do like a YouTube channel and broadcast your personality there. And it's just content marketing. But TikTok is a big opportunity right now. Now, there could be new short form contents and platforms out there in the future. But TikTok right now is a big opportunity you can leverage. Make quick, easy content. people find you, and if they're interested, they'll purchase your OnlyFans or whatever, okay? This is very effective. If you want to learn more about how to crush it with traffic and everything, I have a whole complete program just about that down below. This program's changed people's lives. I mean, it's unbelievable, okay? Because adult traffic is the most advanced thing ever, but it's so beginner easy. And the thing about it is not strict, tons of traffic. I mean, you can promote anything you want. And the same people on freaking Facebook and everything. Billions of impressions. Billions of impressions. It's a big deal. And there's too much opportunity. It's overwhelming at this point. And I just love it to death. But anyway, the other thing to explain is just that. You can get traffic directly from adult marketing methods. Paid ads. They're the cheapest in the world. So it's like cents on cents per click. Okay? To your stuff. All you have to do is have good stuff. And your OnlyFans, you need to make it such a no-brainer offer. Not just your content inside. It needs to be like they get access to giveaways. They get access to a group. They get access to maybe a physical product they can purchase, get once they purchase. Like literally, so you give them physical product, even digital products. They're already getting pictures and videos and whatever exclusive content they're getting. But inside, you can give way more and just make yourself different from the rest. Okay, this is awesome. And that's how you stand out, make a no-brainer offer. Then you could literally have higher perceived value just by having a higher price. Okay, and higher actual value. You could do collaborations with big celebrities once you're big enough. Okay, stuff like this. It works. And then on the inside of your OnlyFans, this is how you make the numbers work out. You need to be selling something high ticket enough to break even on your ads. Okay, and everything else is profit. So on the inside, you should sell something for $1,000 to $10,000 because you'll realize the market that is buying these OnlyFans. Okay, I've looked at the demographics. I know there is a percentage that are very wealthy. Okay, if they like you, they will spend a lot of money on the inside. So you should have something from 1,000 to 10,000 plus. Think of something, okay? It could be an in-person thing. It could be a one-on-one. It could be just a video call or a custom content, something like that. And you could charge high ticket. This is a scenario when you can really crush it, okay? I'm talking to males and females here. If you're a male with good skills, like know how to sell and teach your sales tricks, or you know about credit, there's a lot of cool people who know cool stuff, okay, and skills, and teach on OnlyFans too. Or you could also be a female and do exclusive content or whatever, okay? Either one works, man. Or woman. Either one works. And when you're able to spend a lot to acquire this traffic, you get subscriptions, or you could get people signing up for free, which is almost even better. Then in the back end, I honestly wouldn't do for free if you are doing paid ads. Okay, you might as well not do it for free. If you're doing free content methods, you could have a second subscription that is a free. Okay, you can have free and paid, all this stuff, 2 different accounts. But anyway, on the inside, you gotta have an upsell. This is all I'm trying to get across to you, like big time, is have an upsell, something high ticket. You spend that much on ads, you bring a bunch of people in, percentage will buy your high ticket, a percentage will always buy something, okay? It's all about, if nothing's working, it's your offer's bad, or you, or your messaging, okay? In this scenario, like marketing comes down to so many angles, but you hook people in and bring them in. Now, platforms you can go to advertise, go to Traffic Junkie, that's like for the major sites, and you could do banner ads. If you want to do pop under traffic, which is someone clicks a link, then they just end up on your site and they're there, and they didn't deliberately end up there, but they're kind of there, and it's powerful traffic because there's so much of it for so cheap. And you can go to ExoClick to do that, PlugRush to do that, things like that. Another one for banner ads is ExoClick as well. They have another option for that. And then also Traffic Factory. Okay, these platforms, you just put your funds in, you build a simple campaign. It's as easy as making a Facebook ad, and Facebook ad is super simple to make. I mean, you just need an image, okay? And especially it's even easier with these adult sites because you just need an image and your link and just some targeting. You just target who you believe will purchase. So if you're in the United States, just target United States. And then just target whatever sites you want to do. And then set your daily budget to like $25 a day all the way to 100 or more, or a couple thousand a day if you want, and spend equivalent to your high ticket thing in the back end, and wait till you sell the high ticket thing if you want, and then just reinvest that, and then keep the recurrings going, and just keep growing from there, okay? And you'll see, and a powerful marketing like principle to know is to stand out is the best way, okay? So if you do anything different, than regular, boring, logical marketing. You need to do viral things and stunts, okay, that make you stand out, especially in your marketing. And people will remember that, and they will click more often, and they will buy, okay? And when you have great VSLs that explain what people are getting, and you have a great offer that people actually want, you're gonna crush it, okay? And that's how you make $100,000 plus per month and grow from there. Like, there's people on OnlyFans making millions. Usually they're celebrities, but you can be a celebrity too. You just need to have traffic, okay? You need to build an audience. That can take you half your life. But why not do it? Why not do it? It's either you build a big company or you build a big audience. Or you do both in life. It's your choice, and that's how you make big, big money. You could be investor, blah, blah, blah. There's a lot of ways. You could inherit money. This is how you do it. Anyway, that's the video. If you guys want more value, check out links in the description. And if you want to learn more, subscribe, because I got more videos for you. And peace out, Lawyer Machines.